Introducing ClassVR Xcelerate with EduverseCTE, immersive XR transforming career and technical education. Designed for hands-on learning, built for education, with powerful CTE content libraries including Career Readiness, where learners develop the soft skills that drive workplace success, building confidence and job-ready skills every step of the way. Career Exploration. Step inside immersive job shadowing to spark curiosity, ignite passions, and inspire confident career choices. Vocational Pathways. Hands-on experience that bridges classroom learning with the demands of real-world careers. Give your students the confidence, skills, and experience to thrive in their future careers. Discover more at classvr.com.